Yo, welcome back to my channel, Break Bread with Arthur. I'm so excited to get kicked off, shooting some film this year, cooking good foods, and we're gonna get right into it. Today we're gonna be doing a turmeric rice along with some Argentinian shrimp to go right on top. This is really easy to make, so it won't be hard at all. Since I'm right here, I'm gonna go ahead and season up my shrimp. As you can see, this is our Argentinian shrimp that we have here for you. I made a seasoning mix, and I'll put that link down in the bio of what we did there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and dive in and get that all seasoned up really well. You can kind of eyeball it and see exactly how much you'll need, but you just wanna make sure you cover all that shrimp because we want all that goodness included in the shrimp. And while we're cooking our rice, we'll be letting this marinate for a few moments because the rice is gonna take about 20-25 minutes max, if that. It's not gonna take too long at all, but hey, while it's waiting, let's just go ahead and compound and add that flavor on the shrimp as it goes. So I got that mixed in really well. Give it one more touch. And we'll be moving over to the stove and we'll get our rice going. I'm super excited about this dish. I know starting the new year, everyone wants to kick off with another healthy shot, so I think this dish is a well-round, balanced meal. Turmeric has so many health benefits that's too many to name in this video, but a quick Google search will give you all those answers to it. Alrighty, so I got that all seasoned up really well. We're gonna go ahead and move over to the stove. I'm gonna be able to go ahead and start cooking our rice. Let's head on over. So first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and get our butter and our olive oil in the pan. Just gonna hit it really nice there. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in some butter. Bam, just like that. We're gonna let that butter get all melted all around on the sides. And once that's all melted, we'll start adding in our flavored compounds to everything. But I love it when butter starts melting and everything just looks all pretty in the pot there. Alrighty, so now that we got our butter all melted, we're gonna go ahead and add in our onions. Onions there. And let they get all sauteed really nice. They get nice and succulent. Sweat those onions out. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love the aroma when the onions and garlic come together to play. It just brings a nice, beautiful, natural scent to your home or wherever you're at. So let those sweat out a little bit here. And then shortly, we're gonna go ahead and add garlic as well. Like I said, guys, this dish is really easy to make, full with healthy benefits, and also can make a nice fancy lunch or dinner, whatever floats your boat as today. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my garlic. Don't want to waste any garlic, so get it all out of there. Oh, there we go. Get our garlic added in there. Yum, yum, yum. So I'll let that sit for about 30 seconds right there. And I'm gonna season my garlic and my onions just with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just kind of setting up the base for everything. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. Just give it a few pinches of salt. Also, pinches of pepper. Smells amazing. Just let that cook up really well. This dish moves really fast, like it's really laid back. Once you have your base on point, once we add in the rice and our broth, we're just gonna let it do its thing. This is a really easy dish. And keep in mind, we just seasoned the shrimp over there, so that's all getting marinated really nice. So this dish is gonna come out really flavorful for you. Alrighty, so that's salted enough. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our rice and our turmeric. Rice. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in Turmeric seasoning. Y'all, flavors are just going up from here. It's just going up from here. Look at that color turn. That's a nice, beautiful, burnt, dark orange color going on here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my broth as well. I'm using chicken broth. Go ahead and add that in here. Alright. Chicken broth is in. And then we're gonna go ahead and lay that bay leaf in there. Now we want to bring this up to a boil. We're gonna start simmering. Then we're gonna bring it down. Let it do its thing. So right now, we're just letting that come to a nice, big rumbling. Alright guys, this is real simple. I'm gonna go ahead and sear our shrimp on a non-stick skillet. So we're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil. Real easy to do. This won't take long at all because our rice is just doing some goodness over here. And then now we're gonna be moving along to our shrimp. So just gonna let my pan get all nice and warm. And once it's ready, remember we already pre-seasoned our shrimp, so it got a little marinade going on for the last, I say 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes, if that. So we're gonna put those in there until they get OP, and we're gonna be eating here shortly. Alright, so this is our little tester shrimp. Let me know if my skillet is getting there. And I think it is. We're gonna go ahead and add them in. It's all nice and seared. Keep in mind, this is not the star of the show. The turmeric rice is the star. The shrimp is just coming in and saying, you know what? I'm gonna put the icing on the cake for you guys. That turmeric rice is gonna be a beast. And you know I can't wait to smack on that with y'all. We're gonna get all our shrimp in really nice. Like this non-stick pan, it's so big, so I'm able to fit a lot in here. You never want to overcrowd, you want to give them room to, do its thing, you know, overcrowd. That's that fun. And those look pretty. I would say about 2 or 3 minutes on each side, just depends on the size of your shrimp. And then make the executive decision. While we're doing that, we're going to take a quick peek at the rice. Take a look and see how that's doing. It's just getting all fluffy, getting nice and good. Oh, look at that. All the broth is just about absorbed. I think we're going to have some fluffy rice. It may be well enough down. I'm going to check it. With my handy dandy fork. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's ready. That's fluffy basmati turmeric rice. It gets no Indonesian than that. Where you at in the world? I'm gonna pull this and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This is nice and fluffy. Alright, so for my rice, as I mentioned, for my base, I only did salt and pepper. The turmeric already comes out with so many spices, flavors. But if you want to hit it with a little extra seasoning, put a little extra bump, you can. I'm gonna hit it with a little chicken bouillon on top. You can do whatever you desire, whichever floats your boat. It doesn't matter. At this point, if you just want to add a little extra flavor, like I mentioned, I'm just hitting it with a little chicken bouillon seasoning, just to give it a little extra boost kick for our flavor profile. And we're gonna be good to go. So you can just do like a little salt, hit a little olive oil with it. Especially if some of your rice accidentally stuck to the pan a little, you definitely want to do that. You know, sometimes it can get a little burnt, cook a little fast. So like I mentioned, I can see it with a little chicken bouillon, just a little extra boost. You got the garlic in there, you got the onions in there. Woo! We're about to plate up, y'all. So I'm gonna finish up this shrimp here. We're gonna plate up, and let's eat. All right, guys, that's a wrap. As you can see, this dish didn't take too much of anything at all. Let's stop talking. Let's get right to it. Star of the dish is that turmeric rice. Look how pretty that color is. So fluffy, so buttery. Like, that's a meal in itself. I just took it to the next level with the Argentinian shrimp. Now this is gonna pack a punch of a kick. Those true Indian spices mixed with that turmeric rice. Not only are you starting off the year healthy, you're starting it off the year fluffy and flavorful. I'm gonna keep snacking on this because I'm having spice as well. I need something to drink, probably some milk, but hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'm looking forward to make plenty of content in 2022. Happy New Year's once again. Keep breaking bread with Arthur. I am out.